In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Hoichoi app to the latest version. If you want to get the latest features that comes with this Hoichoi movies app, then follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to update this app, all you need to do is to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and here is my Hoichoi app. I'll go ahead and look for this Hoichoi app on my Google Play Store. So I'll go to Play Store here, and then using this search bar, just type in Hoichoi like that, and then search for the app. Now you can see my app is here, and we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Hoichoi app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Hoichoi movies and web series app, and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can now proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Hoichoi movies app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.